Who is it? It's not locked, baby. What's on your face? Hey, Bryer Collins, look at me. Bryer, what's on your face?
Cookies.
Cookies? Who gave you cookie?
Dad.
Oh, Bryer? Get in here right now. Bryer, it's bedtime. Come here. Nicholas Alexander. You?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You're bad.
I am not.
Yes, you are. Sissy, is Daddy bad?
She smells like chocolate, that's for sure.
Yeah, she does smell like chocolate. And it's still on your face. She's trying to wipe it off. Now she's going to be hyper. Oh, because you say so? She can have a cookie because she says so. Right? Daddy gave you chocolate?
Yes.
Yep. I think we figured that out already. Mm-hmm.